Hello, friends. Today is Guru Nanak Jayanti, so today there is a holiday. So I thought, okay, let me take some questions as lot many questions are pending. Whoever is posted below our video, so let me take one by one. I'll not able to cover all the questions, but a few of the questions I'll going to cover. So, guys, first question I am getting from Mulli Das 5829. Actually, he is asking that whether I should average in Tata Steel and Yes Bank or not. Well, Mulli ji, what I suggest is then don't average on Tata Steel and Yes Bank. Of course, Tata Steel, is a metal stock. And basically, if you are a long term investor, of course, we normally speak about long term investing here, not short term. So, if you are a long term investor, my suggestion is that no, this stock is a metal stock and it will be much more cyclical in nature. So if you know about entry and exit much better, then only you enter into metal stocks, because metal stocks are quite volatile and lot of depend on what type of market situation is there in the economy, and also know across the world how is the demand going on. If economy is going down, then the steel consumption will be less, and again the demand will be less. So based on economy, normally the metal prices goes. So if you are long term investor, I'll not suggest you to invest in Tata Steel. Basically do not average that. But if you are short term, then my suggestion is just have a proper entry exit strategy, and then only you average. Again, also for the Yes Bank, I am not too much bullish on the Yes Bank. See, once there is a concern on the how the functionality of a bank it is, and RBI is stepped in few years ago. After that, the charm is gone, and again, normally once there is a problem, no, it will take time to build up, and that is what you have to understand. So even Yes Bank, I'll not suggest to average. Yes, there are lot many other private banks which are doing much better, and my suggestion, go to all that private banks which are doing well better than averaging on Yes Bank. So yes, not to average both Tata Steel and Yes Bank. Again, Amresh Kumar is saying that okay, the price of today, I think he's talking about PCBL, is today around 250. You said around maybe 120. You have to buy almost. No, that video is released almost 6-7 months ago. Whether the price is worthwhile to buy currently, I do not have any chemical stocks in my portfolio. So my suggestion is PCBL. Yes, we have suggested almost 6 months, like it is more than double now. But yes, at every drop, no, you can collect that stock. Of course, chemical stocks overall is down, but yes, this stock has done well. So my suggestion is, if you want, you can buy that stock at a lower levels. And if just see, have a watch on the quarterly result, which is coming good. So overall, I think this stock may do well for the future also. But yes, you can collect that stock whenever it is going down. Again, Girish Chaudhary is saying almost 5 days. Basically, he's talking about yeah, HEG stock. All the brokerage are giving recommendation. There are some brokerage giving a target of 2800. HEG, that it has gone up a lot. Then after that, it has fallen a lot, and now I think it is around 1500. My suggestion, yes, you can accumulate, but yes, keep an eye on the quarterly result, how this stock is going to perform. All the performance is okay, and as it has fallen a lot, that cushion is there. So my suggestion is, yes, you can hold this stock currently. Girish Chaudhary 4892, I'm talking to you. So hold it. In future, just keep and watch on the quarterlies. If it is not coming, then better you get out from the stock. Again, another question I'm getting from CG is that he has bought a Tata Technology 100 shares at 540 at a pre-IPO market. What is your suggestion? See, I think this Monday we are going to have a Tata Technology listing, and this Tata Technology listing will be a bumper listing. It looks like no almost. That almost 350 was a gray market premium, 500 was the IPO price, so 500 plus 350, or maybe around 850, maybe around that it may be listing. You are sitting in a very good profit, so congratulations on that. But whenever you are investing in the pre-IPO, just be careful, because pre-IPO you don't know what type of market valuation will be there once the company is launched. Again, pre-IPO market now is always a fluctuating market. It's not that always it is correct. I have seen many of our members and clients know they have a this type of pre-IPO market stocks, and normally when the IPO launches, no, it comes at a very lower band. Like Paytm, what happened? Even if you talk about Reliance Retail, initially they have given at a very high value. Not they have given, but in the pre-IPO, it sold at a very high price. However, when the Reliance told that yes, they are going to buy back the shares of Reliance, it was much more at a lower level. So please keep this in mind. It is quite a risky one. But yes, currently you are in a good profit. I think you have 100 shares. You can keep hold of it. Tata Technology overall is a good company. Of course, the valuation is, it will be at a par once it is listed. But that seeing that Tata Elxsi and TCS has performed well for Tata, the chances are that the Tata Technology will do well. So my suggestion, yes, keep hold of it. No need to sell. Just see the next 6 months, 1 year, how the results are coming in. Then accordingly, you can take a decision. User NM2E 2PE7MT2Y. The question is that Gujarat Gas hold or sell? Well, Gujarat Gas, I think it is a sell for me. I'll not go for any commodity stocks where the dependency on the global demand and everything, because you know that it's at the end of the commodity. Again, the government interference is there as and when required, and they may put a cap on the gas price if the gas price is going so up. So I think Gujarat Gas structurally, you if you want to buy for a short term, and then entry exit should be much better. Otherwise, please be aware, this is not a stock which is going to compounding your return. So that you have to keep in mind. Again, guys, if you have any question, no, please type in the comment box. No, I'll answer each the question. I am taking all the earlier questions now, but yes, put it in a question. So in coming sessions, no, I'm going to answer. So don't worry about that. Most of the questions I am going to answer. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the below link. Do subscribe to my channel. Do like this video. Your support is always needed. Also, guys, most of the videos it is related to fundamental and over the long term investing, how you can take benefit out of this. So keep just click the below link and do subscribe our channel. Again, Satnam Singh is asking, sir, say something about cryptocurrency. Also, thanks. Well, honestly, Satnam Singh, I am not an expert in cryptocurrency. Yeah, but cryptocurrency, if you want to keep in mind, of course, you can keep an eye on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, currently, they are saying that in future it will be a currency only. Yes, it will happen, but in recent means in coming time, maybe 5 10 years, it does not look like. And I'm not too much aware about the cryptocurrency, but yes, if the cryptocurrency is going up, that is Bitcoin is going up, that means there is a lot of liquidity coming in the market. Normally then only Bitcoin will go up. So in a you can say that liquidity point of view, if you want to understand, yes, please, and cryptocurrency will help you out. But yes, talking of investment in cryptocurrency, now I'm not an expert about that, and I don't want to go into this field also. Again, Gobind the Saha 6404, he's asking for please suggest about HSCL bought at 240, Deep Industry bought at 250, and Trumal Chemical at 2110. Well, you know that Gobindji, that chemical stocks are not doing well from last 1.5 to 2 years. Now they are not able to perform. One of the main reason, that chemical sector across India is going down because first of all, stiff competition from China. China economy is not doing well. That's why China exporters of chemical, they literally slashed their prices. Also, weak demand in USA and Europe is hurting chemical stocks. But my suggestion is, keep that stocks. Maybe in 6 months, 1 year, the sector will stabilize, and no, there may be a little bit jump on the prices front of you. So please keep in eye on these chemical stocks, and no need to sell currently. Just wait, let the get sector settle. I think then again there will be a pickup. Earlier, that in past, chemical stocks are the multi-bagger. So keep this point in mind. Again, Amresh Kumar 2235. Greenply I have purchased on the basis of your recommendation, and yeah, Greenply we have suggested a few months ago, and yes, that stock has performed very well. My suggestion is don't sell Greenply. I think things are still better now, so keep a hold it. No need to sell. Joseph George Joseph 2941. Sir, what about Ashok Leyland and Kitex? Well, Ashok Leyland, I think you should keep an eye on it. Yes, if you already holding a stock, don't sell. I think they are doing very well in now coming for the electric vehicle models and all that. So things will be better in future. So yes, Ashok Leyland, you can keep it. Kitex, I am not too much sure about it, because Kitex over the years have been very promising, but the promoter of that Kitex is somehow ethically. I don't feel it's proper the way he's conducting the business and everyone. Also, there were earlier a matter where he was taking the all the position on his face only. So I'll not go for Kitex, but yes, Ashok Leyland, I think you should hold it. Again, then now, yeah, Mahesh, Ramesh, okay, Mahesh, I do not hold any stock of LIC India. I have to invest in LIC mutual. Shall I buy LIC India? No, I'll not suggest you to buy Mahesh LIC India now. The reason is no, I think private companies will do much better than LIC India, like HDFC, ICICI, and all that, SBL Life. I think they will do better than LIC because LIC, yes, you can say that valuation wise, it is much more cheaper compared to private companies. But guys, the growth outlook, if you can see, I think it is much better for private companies. So I think I'll go for that. Again, one of the biggest problem for LIC India is nothing, no government interference. Whenever they want to rescue any company, no, they come to LIC and LIC has to oblige with that instruction, and that is the problem which I'm having with LIC India. Overall valuation wise, it is quite cheaper, but yes, the growth prospects, I think it is much lesser compared to the private company. Again, now guys, if you want to know about LIC India, I'll put a video link on that description. Yeah, I have made a separate video on LIC India. You can go and check it out. Again, K Sudha Karega Hedge 5044. NMDC still analysis, please. Well, Sudhakar ji, don't go for NMDC still. No need to go to steel industry, honestly speaking. Unless you are very good in entry and exit, that's a different thing. Otherwise, it is very difficult to earn from this type of steel company. So my suggestion is don't go with NMDC and also steel company, both. So please keep this in mind. इरफान खान, मुझे 7 लाख का लॉस हुआ है ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग में, मैं अपना लॉस कवर कैसे करूं? इरफान जी, आप देखो, मैं तो आपको सजेस्ट नहीं करूंगा कि आप फ्यूचर ऑप्शन कीजिए। ओवर द इयर्स आपको भी पता है, एंड ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड शोज एंड द हिस्ट्री शोज, इवन नितिन कामत टोल्ड दैट लेस देन 1% जो ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग करते हैं एंड ऑल्सो इंट्राडे करते हैं, दे आर एबल टू अर्न मनी इन दिस मार्केट. Even SEBI told that less than 10% derivatives players had make money in the past. So the basically the success issue is very less, and that's why I don't go for that. And that's why no, my suggestion is the success issue is more than 70% when we are following a long term investing. That's why you go for that. Even guys, know we are conducting lot of masterclass for the long term investing. The link is given below. You can click and join that. Normally the costing is 1500. We are currently kept it free. So do join the session where we are talking about long term investing. Every week we are doing, so you can take part in that. अगेन अनदर क्वेश्चन इरफान खान का है कि सर आपको हिंदी नहीं आती क्या, प्लीज हिंदी बोलिए. ऐसा नहीं है इरफान खान जी, मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती, हिंदी तो आती है, लेकिन वो क्या होता है कि नॉर्मली जब मैं बोलने चाहता हूँ इंग्लिश कम्स ऑटोमेटिकली. तो ऑफ कोर्स ऐसा नहीं बोलो कि मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत हाई फाई है, बट यस, कंपेयर टू हिंदी, इंग्लिश में मैं कंफर्टेबल हो जाता हूँ बोलना, क्योंकि पहले से बोलते आए हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हिंदी में भी बोल सकते, कुछ वीडियो हमने हिंदी में भी रिलीज किए, बट यस, पॉइंट वेल टेकन. इन बिटवीन में हिंदी में बोला करूंगा. थैंक यू. Suresh Akela, need their guidance for the beginners. Yes, Suresh Akela ji, we have released lot many primary videos, how to select a stock, how to see the fundamental analysis, and no, so many things, even technical stage analysis, management, so many things we have discussed, and lot many videos are there. You can join our YouTube channel, and no, you can see the video. Also, as I told you, we have a thoughtful investor hub course where we are discussing all this fundamental analysis, also technical in much more detail for long-term investing. You can join that also. I think, Suresh, if you are not wrong, you are our member only, so no need, but yes, keep this in mind. Again, the Prabhu 71, good educative, please make video how to identify and overvaluation of a stock. Yes, Prabhuji, what I'll do, I'll make a separate video on overvaluation. Yes, overvaluation may be due to many reasons, like you can say that higher P ratio or whatever valuation metrics is there related to the stock. There may be many reasons, but yes, I'll try to cover that valuation prospecting in coming videos. Again, brilliant sir, more videos in Hindi, detailed analysis of HUL required. Both stocks are that stock is down 4.4%. Okay. Actually, yes, Hindustan Unilever, see, the results are good, but वही है कि वो बड़ा हाथी बन गया and it will move slowly only. It is not that Hindustan Lever now will give you maybe 18 to 20% return. No, I don't think so. So if you want a decent return of 13-15%, you can go with Hindustan Lever. But otherwise, I don't think so. It is for the, like now, if you want to go anything about 17-18%, Hindustan Lever does not come into that category. If you want to 13 to 15%, please go into Hindustan Lever, not an issue. Asif Dar, sir, I have 100 shares of HDFC Bank bought at an average of 15. Should I hold or sell? Again, HDFC बैंक का भी वही इशू है, as it has become a too bigger stock. Also, क्या होता है कि जब आप बड़े हो जाते हो ना, your growth prospects quite less, and you cannot, again, 40%, if I am not sorry, 10% of total loan given at the India level no, is of HDFC Bank. So it is already a sizable bank. From here again to go, it will take time. So my suggestion is, if you are thinking, yes, I'm not saying it is not going to grow, but if you are thinking about around 13-14% average return, please go in a HDFC Bank. But I don't think it will give you 18 to 20% return. Abhishek, 16 November, I see P ratio, price to book value ratio, debt ratio, CAG, ROE, ROC, cash flow, balance sheet, etc. for any share. Very good, Abhishek. I think आप वो वीडियो के लिए बात करो जहां मैंने बताया था कि how to analyze fundamentally a company. On research report also, I mean that report we have prepared, and yes, that video is giving in detail, and you are doing all this stuff. That means, Abhishek, no, you are doing thorough analysis. So keep up the good work, and I like the way you do a research before investing, and that will I'll say to all the investors also, no, because unless you don't do a proper research, and then without doing research, if you are investing and something goes wrong, you cannot blame the market. That is a mistake from our side, and that's why please do all this type of research, how to do fundamental analysis, understand. It is given in lot many other videos also. You can come to our webinar where we are showing. But yes, please do it and then do it. So well done, Abhishek, you are doing right, you are having a right approach. Suresh, you are a natural day. Luckily, with the help of today's good and nice, we will compare and multiply your investment. Thank you, Suresh, for your kind words, and thank you. And I'll do post all these type of same type of educative videos for the future. Also, stay tuned. Again, Bhadresh Panchal 9874. Yes, I'll follow 10 golden rules which you are given to become rich. Yes, that video we have again how to basically 100x x your money. I think if you are not seen, no guys, please go and check it out. No, I know what channel it is, and once you subscribe, now you will able to see the main video only. That is this 100x wealth creation. So please do check it. It is a very insightful video. It will give you a lot of knowledge, and no, it will give you a complete part how to go along with this investing world. Okay, so guys, I think I'll stop here. Still many questions are there that I'll take it next time. So thank you very much, guys, and keep your message posted. I'll do reply whenever I'll get time, so not to worry about that, and stay tuned. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.